Finally got Opal, our Contessa 26 home, and realized we had a severe case of osmotic blistering. We started by sanding the bottom down to the gel coat and popping the big blisters. We then started grinding all the blisters out using a 4.5-inch grinder with a 60 grit flapper disc. After we ground all of them, we left them to dry for several months before we started filling with fiberglass and epoxy. Make sure that you clean your ground out osmotic blisters with acetone. We are using the total boat epoxy system. It's 2-to-1. With these easy pumps, you pump. It's easy to mix. One pump here equals 1 part. One pump here equals 2 parts. For each pump of resin, do 1 pump of hardener. And mix for 2 minutes. Make sure you wet out each of your repair spots thoroughly. We pre-wet all of our patches before placing them onto the boat. Use cardboard so we don't mess up our work table. We have each of the patches numbered and marked with a line so we can put them in a proper orientation when we get them to the boat. When you get the fiberglass wet out, it'll turn transparent. And we work from biggest to smallest, the biggest going against the boat. Once you have your patch wet out, we cover it with parchment paper. Tried wax paper, but it sticks too much. Parchment paper acts like a poor man's pill ply. Get all the air out of the patch. Then once you have all the air out, pick the patch up and place it on the boat. By drawing this line right here, and drawing it on your patches, you're able to line them up correctly. Believe me, you will forget. Once on the boat, make sure you rub as much air out as you can. And then move on to your next one.